just for listening to the turbo whistle. That is not a check engine light. That's an eco something or anti-crash or whatever. So.